Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to talk more about this. It's so relaxing. So welcome to one of my favorite places in Sydney. Not just Sydney, the world. So this place is called Cabramatta. So in the jeez, that's loud. I don't think that guy has a busking license. But anyway, back in the 1980s and 90s, there was a lot of turmoil in Indochina, and that led to a whole bunch of immigration or migration to Australia. There were people from Laos, Cambodia, even Thailand. But the immigrant group that had the most effect on this area was the Vietnamese. Now, they came in at a very turbulent time in Australia's history. It was a lot of heroin, meth had just come out, and it got so bad to the point where there was a guy telling me that he would actually carry his children across a certain car park because of all the syringes on the ground in that car park. Now, on the back of those first generation immigrants who brought with them skills in baking, cooking, dry cleaning, or just food in general, you see the Vietnamese people in all forms of life, all different types of occupations. And it really is on the back of these wary, hardened first generation immigrants. Now, I don't know if you can see too much. But it's easy to forget that you're actually in Australia when you come to Cabramatta. Based on my experience from my travels, this actually feels a lot closer to Southeast Asia than Australia. And nowadays we've got migrants from all sorts of areas that have come to call Cabramatta their home. People from the Pacific Islands. I've seen Indians around here, and Arab people. Now, I'm actually going to do a part 2 to a video I did before, because that one did so well, and I figured people want to see more stuff like that. So we're going back to my friends at Thanh Thanh, invited by my friend Jesse, who's the owner. Now, I should let you guys know that Thanh Thanh is a client of mine. I do the advertising just to be transparent. I do their Facebook posts and whatnot. But hey, it should be fun. This is just my second time going there. Also, I do have to say it's amazing to see Sydney back to some kind of normalcy. I've been to Cabramatta when it's not been this busy, and look at it now.
How are you?
Good, thank you. You remember me?
Huh?
Your hair different.
I come from here.
Good, looks good.
You want to learn the hair today?
No, not yet. Yeah, okay. Come in.
Cảm ơn.
I figure it's good to do this now because I'm running out of hair, so I'll probably never have a chance to do something like this again before this all goes. I have no hair. No hair.
Oh, okay. You want some food?
Okay. Just relax.
No, no worry. Okay. Just
Okay. What's your name?
Thanh.
Ah, Thanh.
Yep.
Oh, you Thanh, Jesse Thanh.
Okay.
Thanh.
Yeah, Thanh.
Okay.
What are you okay?
Yeah, it feels good.
Okay.
So it's like warm water to start. Oh god. It feels nice. Oh my god. I feel so good.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Chị Hạnh nó gọi á chị.
Ai vô.
Ai vô.
Ai vô.
Ai vô 1, 2, 3, 4. Ông bạn nào? Nhà lên có luôn á hả? Việt Nam hả? Việt Nam năm nay. Nhà giờ mà không có cái căn này.
Oh my god.
Không, bây giờ là gia đình shop thì không có bận đâu. Anh đang gội đầu cho một cái ông đàn ông người khác là không sao. Trời ơi, cái chùa nó ghé tắt chị cho em. Ai? Hạnh. Nó sang cái chùa nó ghé tắt về. Hi.
I want to talk more about this. So relaxing. So Tang is like the main hairdresser. Tang is like the main hairdresser here at Tang Tang, as you might guess from the name. And how long have you been cutting hair? How long have you been cutting hair?
Yeah.
How long have you cut hair?
10 minutes.
Huh?
10 minutes. Huh?
How many years? How many years?
15 $.
No. How long you do haircut? Yeah.
How long? Lúc cái nó hỏi bao nhiêu phút thì nó là 10 minutes.
No. How many years?
How many?
How many year? Yeah.
$15.
No. I'll ask you after. No.
What? How long?
How long you do haircut? Or how long you have hair?
Me hả? Me hairdresser hả?
Yeah.
28 years.
28 years?
Yeah, 28 years. Me work Vietnamese and Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How can I ask how old you are?
Baby.
Huh? 50? How old are you?
Me work
In Vietnam you work?
27.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm 30.
Me now today me 45 years.
Wow.
Me work in hairdresser 28 years.
And where are you from in Vietnam?
Yes.
Where are you from? Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh?
Vietnam, Bến Tre.
Where?
Bến Tre.
Bến Tre?
Bến Tre.
I don't know where that is.
Bến Tre. No, Sài Gòn.
North?
No, Sài Gòn.
Okay.
Bến Tre.
Oh, there's more. Okay. So what's this?
More, a little bit more.
Okay.
One more sample. Vậy nói con Thanh có đi không con Thanh?
Chắc cô Thanh hỏng đi luôn quá.
Lại nằm đi. Con Thanh có gửi tiền con Thanh?
Trả cô trong 20 thôi con.
Con đi nha con Thanh.
Ừ, bye con.
Oh my god. Okay, close my eyes.
Những lần đầu tiên có đợi mắc cười quá.
Oh, so cold. Whoa.
Yeah, it's so cold.
Dạ, anh Tùng ơi. Em mới nghe chị Hương Linh nói là anh Tùng đã hết cái dai, anh Tùng học bài hết rồi.
Okay. You can. 1 minute. Okay. Wait.
Okay, wait.
Wait. Five.
Okay.
Anh Tùng em lại.
I should say I've never had anything like this done before. Yeah. But that was very relaxing. I did get a little bit, it was my fault though, because I opened my eyes. I did get a bit of soap in my eye, but whatever. It was very relaxing. You know, if you know anything about me, it's like, it's very hard to just sit still and do nothing. I mean, I guess I should be enjoying this. It's a head massage. But I didn't know there was a facial or like a face massage or like she'd wash my face and that sort of thing. Yeah. Finish? Okay.
Do 5 minutes.
5 minutes more? Oh wait.
Okay. 10 minutes là so 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes. Working good. Working.
My skin not good. Something about this makes me feel like I'm Charlie Chaplin. I feel like when I walk out of here, I'm gonna be glowing or something, or like, I don't know, I can definitely feel like some sort of benefits. I just tried to lie down and close my eyes for like 5 minutes. Yeah, I can definitely feel some relaxations.
Hồi nãy anh có lại phải không?
Đúng.
Bữa nay anh lái tay làm gì?
Nay cắt nhuộm.
Okay, please.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes. You okay?
Very relaxed. Hey? No, I have to. No, I have to. Please. Getting some funny looks from people outside. I think they're like, what is this Indian guy doing in the Vietnamese hair salon? But, okay, so for all that was $25. So yeah, if you want to come to Thanh Thanh in Cabramatta and get the same sort of treatment, $25, which I think that's the best money you could spend in Sydney. Thank you, Chal. Thank you, Thanh.
Thank you.
See you guys. No, my pleasure, my pleasure. Thank you so much. Okay, see you guys. Come on.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Hair and Beauty. Okay, so just here in Cabramatta. It's just on the corner of John and Hill Street. So if you just go down that way, you'll find Thanh Thanh. Now, if you're familiar with my music work, you might recognize this as the place where we shot our first music video with the RBT crew. That was for the Animal music video. And we came here at like midnight to shoot because we wanted the street clear. Anyway, close it off there. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini tour of Cabramatta and seeing me get my head massaged. Alright guys, next time.